Hi everybody, welcome back again in a meeting related with discussions in managerial studies in English part 2. اهلا بالجميع في لقائنا في فيديو جديد عن مناقشات في الدراسات الإدارية باللغة الإنجليزية، وده هيكون الجزء الثاني. Previously we have discussed مسبقا احنا اتكلمنا عن some topics. Let's revise them before putting some questions in a question bank. اتناقشنا في الفيديوهات السابقة عن بعض الموضوعات، منها الكلمات او المصطلحات المتخصصة specialized terminology in management and administration. Let's revise them quickly. Investment, investor, foreign investor, volume investment, investment goods, investment strategy, real investment, financial investment, investment opportunities, investment plan, rate of investment, financial economy, financial crisis, financial aid, financial activity, financial accounts, financial sector, financial recovery, financial power, financial laws, financial investment, financial world, financial stability, financial report, financial position, organization, World Trade Organization, World Health Organization, Organization of African Unity, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, International Labor Organization. Then we move to types of organizations, structure, stakeholders, and also we concentrate on some terminology like scarcity, currency, efficiency, employer, capital, guarantee, credit card, product, purchasing, interest rate, partner, portfolio, security, freight, tariff, penalty, bill of lading, monopoly, demand, negotiate, confirmation, profit, employee, and pass is the important one. Let's begin. Organization. It's a company, institution, association with comprising one or more people and having particular purpose. احنا طبعا ناقشنا مسبقا مجموعة موضوعات كتيرة جدا مرتبطة بالمنظمات أو المؤسسات وما تتضمنه، وحددنا إذا كانت لجان الكوميتي أو الانجارتي، الإيكولوجي، الماتريكس، organization، pyramids of or hierarchy بالتفاصيل نقدر نرجع لها في الفيديوهات السابقة. Topic 3 we deal with commits اللجان, and we take some of terms with the translation and we concentrate on some conversations. تناولنا بعض الموضوعات من خلال ان احنا ركزنا على بعض المصطلحات المخصصة ليها زي الكوميتيز اللجان، زي office procedures اللي هي الاجراءات المكتبية، وتناولنا بعض الconversations المرتبطة بالtopics. Also we deal with negotiation التفاوض, we deal with the strategic decision making عملية اتخاذ القرار الاستراتيجي, and we concentrate on a lot of terms or terminology نقدر نرجع لها في الفيديوهات السابقة. Also we deal with sales management, sales and payment, المبيعات والعمليات الدفع, وتناولنا تاسكس كتير جدا بحلولها في الفيديوهات السابقة. we concentrate on online sales bank accounts, عمليات البيع اللي هي عبر الانترنت والحسابات البنكية, and we have talked a lot of conversations, a lot of tasks, a lot of activities related with each topic. Let's talk about also commercial banking, what we need to have a commercial banking. Let's talk about question bank. What does the term investment refers to? It refers to the process of allocating money and resources with the expectation of generating profit. Question number 2. Which of the following paths define an investor? He is an individual or entity that allocates capital with expectations of financial returns. What is the significance of a foreign investor? An investor from another country who invests capital in a foreign market. In financial terms, what does employment refer to? It refers to the act of working for an employer in exchange for payment. Which of the following accurately describes مستثمر أجنبي? The word is an international investor. طبعا المصطلحات السابقة وارد جدا يجي مختلف الكلمة اللي بالعربي بناء على تجميعك للمصطلحات وحفظك ليها، ومهم جدا انك تراجع على الجزئيات دي في الفيديوهات السابقة. What does financial investment entail? It entails with allocating capital with the expectation of financial return. Which term refers to استقرار مالي? Here it's financial stability. طبعا في المسبق احنا قايلين الكلمات الاخرى زي الفاينانشال كرايسيس الازمه الماليه، الفاينانشال لوز الخساره الماليه، وهكذا. فالمفروض انه احنا بنبقى عارفين. Sometimes I ask about the term like the following: what is the significance of a financial crisis? It's a serve distribution in financial system. Question number 9: which organization is denoted by World Trade Organization? الاختصار بتاعها WTO. So what does the financial position represent? It represents the state of an entity financial health. What is the main focus of International Labour Organization? It's advocating for workers' rights and labor standards. What does financial aid typically involve? It involves providing assistance in the form of money or resource. Question number 13. Which term describes the rate of investment? It's the rate in which capital is allocated for investment process. Question number 14. What does financial economy refers to? It refers to the study of how money is earned and spent within the economy. Question number 15. What does the Organization of African Unity primarily focus on? It focuses on promoting economic cooperation among African nations. Question number 16. What does the term organization refer to? It refers to structured entity within a common purpose. Question number 17. Which type of organization typically operates for the purpose of generating profit? It's corporations. Question number 18. What kind of organizations is focused on providing humanities aid and social services? It's charities. Question number 19. Which type of organization is primarily concerned with political advocacy and activism? It's political organizations. Question number 20. What kind of organization facilitates cooperation and coordination among nations of various issues? It's international organizations. Question number 21. Which type of organizations involves collective ownership and democratic control by its members? It's cooperatives. Let's move to topic types of organization and organizational structures. Stakeholders. Here, which of the following is not a type of organizational structure? It's circular. In a functional organizational structure, how are employees grouped by? This is based by function or rules. Question 24. What is the characteristic of matrix organizational structure? It employee report to both functional managers and project managers. Which type of organizational structure is suitable for organizations operating in diverse geographical location? It's divisional. What are stakeholders in an organization? They are individuals or groups affected by the organization's actions and decisions. What is the primary concern of stakeholders? It's protecting the environment. Which of the following is an example of internal stakeholders? These are employees. How do stakeholders influence organizational decisions? By extending procedures or influence. Question number 30. What is the purpose of identifying stakeholders in an organization to understand their interests and concerns? Question number 31. Which type of organizational structure is organized by self-managed teams and decentralized decision making. It's flat. Which term refers to entity comprising one or more people or having a particular purpose? It's organization. What is the Greek word of organ or most closely associated with the context of organization? It's a tool or instrument. Which of the Which of the following is not a legal type of organization? It's committee. What organizational structure promotes internal competition? It's ecologicalism. In a matrix organization, how many bosses does each worker typically have? 2. What are the primary characteristics of hierarchical organization? It's arrangement with a leader who leads other individual members. Question number 38. Which type of organization assigns tasks to a group of peers who decide together, perhaps by voting? It's a committee. Question 39. Which organizational structure assigns each worker 2 bosses in 2 different hierarchies? It's matrix. Question 40. What is the distinguished features of injury compared to committee? Its committee members are assigned tasks after decision making. 41. Which organizational type is characterized by an arrangement with the leader who leads other individual members? It's hierarchical. Okay, let's move to committee. What's a committee? It's a group of peers who decide as a group. How do committees typically make decisions? By voting or consensus among members. 44. What is the primary differences between committee and a jury? Committees make decisions as a group, while juries involves individual voting. In what context are committees commonly utilized? In decision-making process with the organization. What is the purpose of committee in an organization? Is to make decisions as a group. Question number 47. Which of the following is an example of committee functions? It's assigning tasks to individual members. Question 48. How are committee members typically chosen? By assignment or appointment by higher authorities. Question 48. What organizational purpose does a committee serve? To promote cooperation and consensus among people or among members. Question number 50. What type of decisions are typically made by committees? It's strategic decisions, tactic decisions, operational decisions, so they are all. How do committees contribute to organizational effectiveness? By facilitating decisions making through group consensus. What are office procedures primarily designed to achieve? It's centralization and efficiency. Question 53. Which of the following is not typically component of office procedures? It's rules for office decoration. 54. What is important for office procedures to be documented? To ensure consistency and clarity. Who is responsible for creating and updating office procedures? It's a human resources department. How should employees be trained on office procedures? Through continuous training and reinforcement. What role do office procedures play in ensuring workforce safety? They provide guidelines for safe behavior. What should employees do if they encounter an issue with existing office procedures? It's document the issue and suggest improvements. Which of the following is an example of an office procedures? It's following a specific procedures for handling voices. What is the purpose of regular review and updates of office procedures? It's to ensure they remain relevant and effective. How do office procedures contribute to organizational success? By providing structure and guidance for employees. Let's move to the topic negotiation. What is negotiation primarily aimed at achieving? Sure, it will be collaboration. Which of the following is not a key element of success negotiation? It's coercion. What is the primary purpose of setting negotiation goal? It's to guide the negotiation process. What role does active listening play in negotiation? It enhances communication and empathy. Which negotiation strategy involves in gaining advantage through manipulation and deception? It's competitive negotiation. How can Panta, best alternative to a negotiated argument, influence negotiation outcomes? By providing leverage. In negotiation, what does the term ZOPA refer to? Zone of possible agreements. What is a conscious negotiation? It's an unilateral compromise by one party. Again, conscious negotiation, it's unilateral compromise by one party. Which negotiation style prioritizes maintaining relationship and avoiding conflict? It's accommodation. What is the significance of establishing trust in negotiation? It increases the likelihood of agreement. Let's move to strategic decision making. What is the primary purpose of corporate strategic plan in decision making? It's to align decisions with main goal. Question 73. What role does a strategic plan play in strategic decision making? It provides guidance and support for decision making. When considering new opportunities, what factors should be evaluated? It's growth, potential cost, and profit margins. What does assessing whether a decision aligns with the company main goals entail? It's analyzing how the decision impacts long-term objectives. What is meant by the opportunity cost in strategic decision making? It means that the things give up to pursue a new opportunity. What does it mean for a new opportunity to have a long-term potential? It promises sustainable growth and profitability over time. Question number 78. Which of the following is not consideration in assessing whether a company is the right fit for pursuing a new idea? It's regularity, compliance, and legal implications. Question 79. How does strategic decision making differ from operational decision making? By strategic decision making involves long-term planning and goal setting. Question number 80. What is the key challenge faced by business leaders in strategic decision making? It's uncertainty, complexity, and volatility. Question 81. In strategic decision making, what is the importance of assessing competitive advantage? It's to help determine whether the company is in the right fit for the opportunity. Last topic: sales, payment, and online sales, also commercial banking. Question number 82. Which of the following is a common method of payment used in online sales? It's bank transfer. Concentrate. Online sale. Online sale. Question number 83. What is the primary advantage of online sales over traditional bricks and mortar stores? It's lower operational expenses. Question number 84. In commercial banking, what is the primary function of checking accounts? It's to facilitate everyday transactions such as payments and withdrawals. Which of the following is not typically offered by commercial banks? It's mortgage loans. What is the purpose of point of sales POS system in retailer sales? It's the process to credit card payments. 87. Which of the following is a disadvantage of using cash as a payment method in sales transaction? It's prone to theft and loss. Question 88. What is the role of merchant account in online sales? He facilitates credit card transactions. Question number 89. Which of the following characteristics of e-commerce platform? It's a global reach. 90. In commercial banking, what is the primary purpose of saving account? It's to earn interest and deposit funds. What is the primary role of commercial banking in economy? It's facilitating transactions between buyer and seller. What does investment refers to? Buying assessment of your future income and profit. What is the primary aim for an investment strategy? It's to achieve financial goals. What is a foreign investor? An individual or entity from another country who invests in different countries. What does financial investment involve? It involves putting money into stocks, bonds, and other financial assets. What is the primary function of commercial banking? It's facilitating financial transactions for business and individuals. What is tarifa? It's a tax on imported or exported goods. What is meant by financial stability? Situation where finance are secure and predictable. What does the term collateral refers to in finance? It refers to assets pledged to secure loan. Who is typically responsible for managing financial accounts? Business owners or financial managers. And the final question is 101. What is the primary goal for trade association? It's to promote business interests for particular industry or sector. In the lectures, we have discussed some types of questions like that. Use the following words to fill the blank to complete sentence. These are the words and I put them in the blanks. And we have read all of these sentences in the lectures. You can be back again to them. Thank you for listening. Wishing the best for you. And I hope it will be easy in studying. See you soon. Best of wishes. Thank you. Goodbye.